Take a match of the plans you made once long ago. There's plans you've long since outgrown, so throw them in a pit and don't look back. Stand there a moment to reminisce all that never was, but don't stay there too long. Let the fire burn. Let all that ended up in the burn pile go. It'll be hard at first to watch your plans go to ash, but you'll see soon enough it's for the best. Those sparks will fly and light a new fire. So let the sparks fly high into the starry night sky. With all you thought you knew gone, you can start all over with these new things. The life you'll build up now will be bigger and better than you'd ever dreamed you could ever have. So baby, let all that ended up in the burn pile go. It'll be hard at first to watch all those plans go to ash, but you'll see soon enough it's for the best. Those sparks will fly and light a new fire. So let the sparks fly high into the starry night sky. It seems impossible, I know, but just think, won't it be incredible to build the life you wanted forever? Yeah, you know the one you thought you could never have, and now's your chance. Set fire to the one you're so over, and let the sparks fly on the one you wanted for always. Oh, let all that ended up in the burn pile go. It'll be hard at first to watch your plans go to ash, but you'll see soon enough it's for the best. Let those sparks fly and light a new flash. So let the sparks fly high into the starry night sky. Oh, let the sparks fly. Let the sparks fly.